Clean the glass at the installation location using a cleaning agent. Then, use a squeegee to clean up the residual watermarks. Peel off the protective film from the front of EA-iFilm2 indoor flexible film LED display. Then spray cleaning solution onto the front surface to keep the display moist and slippery, facilitating the subsequent installation step. Spray cleaning solution onto the intended installation area for the film LED display, ensuring the surface remains moist. Then, apply the front side of the film LED display to the glass. Once properly positioned, use a squeegee tool to eliminate any air bubbles and excess cleaning solution. Simply repeat this step for the remaining film LED displays. Apply silicone sealant to one side of the control box. Once it has set, install the power supply and connect the power and signal cables. Finally, install the cover plate.